Hello friends, in this video I will show how to fix USB device not recognized error code 43. So to resolve this problem, just follow some easy steps. Click on start, search here device manager. Open device manager. Now in this list you have to expand universal serial bus controllers. Now here guys, you will see your USB driver. If you don't recognize your USB driver which you are using, so right click on one by one every driver and update driver. First time select this search automatically. And if method this not work, so try right click update driver and this time select browse my computer. Now click on let me pick from a list of available. If you see here multiple driver, so select first one, then next. Also guys, similarly you do this in both. And in the last, right click on universal bus controllers, then click on scan for hardware changes. Now exit this device manager and restart your system. Hopefully guys, using this method you can fix and resolve this USB error. Thanks for watching. Comment this method work for you or not.